the session with a brief introduction of the proposed strategic plan of JRMSU for 2030. Ipakita na ko ang proseso paunsa ka magkanda kong strategic plan karon para masabtan ninyo para asa ang akong gibuhat o unsay inyong i-expect nga i-produce na ko after akong buhaton ng tanan. Okay? So, I'd like to invite you to listen carefully, participate, para we can take active involvement or engagement in planning or in crafting our strategic plan. Kaya, hindi na po tayo ganahan mo ingon later on nga, anong buhat na sila ginana? Di ba may kebawan na? At least karon, i-consulta mo, ipangutana mo para when we implement later on programs or projects or when we prioritize programs or projects, makahibalo mo na atubod na kay i-bring up na during sa pre-planning stage yung kana very important. Okay? So that is our goal today. And then later on, we'll be having activities that can draw insights or experiences or observations that can help improve our strategic, that can serve as inputs in our strategic plan. Okay, bulan. Sige. Very quickly, no? Let's just define, let's just put into terms or operational terms our definition of strategic plan. Our definition of strategic plan in our planning process is very simple. It is a roadmap. Number one term to remember is a roadmap. It's long-term impact. It entails producing outcomes, outputs, and activities to achieve the vision and the mission of the organization. In our case, the university. So it entails 5 things: setting the direction of the university. So, mayon ta ang strategic plan. Later on, mo yatong diya unsay angay buhaton karong quarter, karong tuiga hangtod 2030. That is the goal of the strategic plan. Alignment of effort, walay obligation. So para patukod na building dito nakita, magamit ko sa tikas sa opisina, then dito na po sa opisina ha. Alignment of effort, walay or minimization of waste. Addressing challenges. Kung naay problema sa kwarta ang PICAS, then makahibaw mo nga nainani sa PICAS, we can align our activities so that ang kwarta nimo magamit nila you achieve both your goals or objectives for your programs. Good morning.
Good morning.
Let me know if I don't make sense anymore, ha? If you cannot follow or if you think I don't make sense anymore, you let me know. Maximizing opportunities, okay? And then addressing accountability. Kana ikalima mo yung pinaka-importante, okay? Tama ta sa government. Mangutana mo gina ang gobyerno, mangita mo gina ang gobyerno. Iusan ninyo ang kwarta sa gobyerno. So with the strategic plan, we can plot, we can outline asa kadulong ang kwarta sa gobyerno. Pag produce ka according to your plan in the strategic plan, you can tell the government, hey, dire padulong ang inyong kwarta. Kaya kung this is where your taxes go. So, kung na kay strategic plan, plus na.
Nakulangan na, sir.
On-site, kumatong sa 25 million, Sir Bongka. We have padulong ng 25 million. So, get addresses accountability. And of course, kung concentrated an effort, then we will be able to address the main objective of the university, which is to produce quality graduates. That's accountability. Okay? That is our operational definition of a strategic plan. Roadmap, impact, outcomes, outputs, and activities to achieve the mission and the mission of the university. Specifically, in JRMSU. By the way, I anticipated that sa likod din na ni makita. So I sent these slides to the information unit, and I guess they're disseminating this through our GCs. I hope you have copy of this. Kung di kayo maklaro din na ayun na kayo sakita inyong mata, tanaw na lang mo sa inyong mobile phone or laptop. Para asa ang JRMSU strategic plan? To direct how JRMSU shall fulfill its mission, especially in times of uncertainties. So kung natin strategic plan, hopefully, appeal sa atong strategic plan ang paghanay or ang pag-anticipate, pag-forecast, mga posibleng mahitabo given the drivers and signals of the society. Kaya bitaw very linear ang planning, makahibaw ka nga, uso na ba karon ang inyong planning, uso na ba karon ang online na trabaho. How does this affect GRMSU? Because these are some of the signals and drivers that we need to listen to. Kasi diyan ko, wala na face-to-face na klase. Kaya pwede na madala o online na tanan. These are drivers and signals, and this should form part of the planning process because we are planning in consideration of the possible different futures due to the uncertainties of time. Kanang gitawag nila buka world. Okay. Anticipating the different futures.
Bukad na rin, sir. Bukad na rin.
Mag-take sa consideration sa mga drivers at signals sa palibot, ang inyong plano may eventually turn out to be ineffective because nakalimot man ka o consider sa mga signals and drivers sa palibot. Alright? To deliver value to stakeholders, especially the government. Kung sa'yo ito ang responsibilidad sa government to maximize the resource allocation and to by delivering quality education. So, kitagaan ng kwarta, siguraduhan ang kwarta ang gana sa gobyerno, efficient na paggamit, and will lead to producing quality graduates based on our strategic plan. So again, we go back to the idea that strategic plan is very important. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sige. This is why we introduce a different model of strategic